connecting learners to careers and role models. Showing what STEM professionals actually do in learning activities can help both boys and girls understand what the STEM industries are. I know that when I was at school, I had no idea what an engineer did. And if my teachers had shown me this is what engineering looks like, I would have been more excited about taking on engineering as a career. First Nations role models can increase First Nations girls' motivation and interest as well. That it's really important that girls see themselves represented, and often those First Nations role models get missed out as role models for our girls. And lastly, school-college partnerships can encourage girls to consider STEM careers. So if you've got girls in your school who've gone on to college to study STEM, you can consider bringing those in as guest speakers or at an assembly, or connecting over an online chat with your classroom to show girls in your classroom that, hey, girls from my school have gone on to choose STEM careers, and model that. How can we do this in our classroom? By building real value in STEM, by seeing real world applications. So when we're doing technology activity, showing where that's being used in real life will increase the value of that. And girls really appreciate seeing real world applications to the things they're studying. Selecting classroom media that represents a diverse STEM roles and role models, which we've talked about, and building the learning of STEM professionals and jobs into your curriculum. So not just studying science, but also what scientists do, not just studying maths, but talking about it in the context of what mathematicians do and what that means.